Hola amigos y amigas, I am Leila, also known as Miss Bohemia, and I'm excited to jump into a brand I have never really tried before, Briogeo. But because it's known to be a pricey-ish brand, I am jumping in a very cautious manner with the Don't Despair Repair, Strengthen and Repair Hair Care Minis. It's basically a kit that contains some of their most popular products, which are the Don't Despair Repair Super Moisture Shampoo, the Don't Despair Repair Super Moisture Conditioner, the Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask, and the Don't Despair Repair Strengthening Treatment Oil. And so we're doing a full wash and deep conditioning with Briogeo. I don't do shower scenes mainly because I wouldn't know how to film one, and my bathroom is insanely tiny and there's no way I could film it. And so we're just gonna do it right here on my chair. So let me get ready. My hair is really in need of a wash. I kind of overdid it with product application in my last wash cycle. So I'm in need of deep cleansing. I'm in need of a clean scalp. I believe the Briogeo shampoo is not a sulfate-based shampoo, but it does have the C14-16 olefin sulfonate, and that is a mild cleanser as far as I know, and it's one of the 5 that Curly Chemistry says is a good cleanser if you wish to avoid sulfates, but it's good at doing the job. So that makes me happy to hear, given that I'm a sulfate shampoo loving chick. So we're starting with the Don't Despair Super Moisture Shampoo. Ooh, that came out fast. Smells amazing. I love the smell. It has a nice lathery sound. It feels good on the hair. It has great slip. I also love lather. I can't tell if it's lathering, but you guys can see. I'm gonna apply a little more. I probably got in with too much, but I don't care. It feels so good. I love washing my hair. Smells incredible. Makes for a good clean shower scent. Time to wash it off. So I feel it was cleansing. My hair does feel clean, but it is very, very dry. Not stripped even, but just feels drier than it does with my regular shampoo. And my regular shampoo is the Apogee shampoo for damaged hair. Although I'm not too judgy with shampoos, as long as my hair is clean, I tend to be okay. My main thing in a wash is I really need the conditioning to go well. So moving on to the Don't Despair Repair Super Moisture Conditioner. Definitely wasn't as full as the shampoo. Doesn't really, can't smell anything. Doesn't have a scent. The slip is good, applies well. Light scent coming out now. It came practically empty. It was a gift with purchase from Sephora, which was one of the reasons I ordered a bunch of stuff I didn't need. Otherwise, I would not have been impressed by how empty that little sample size was. And the shampoo, which I didn't like, came full. This is okay. It's detangling as I run my fingers through my hair. The slip is good. Smells nice. Nice and light scent. Leave it in for 2 minutes and rinse. I am not impressed. The shampoo did nothing for my hair. Nothing. This did nothing for my hair. Ugh. And this is a pricey brand, and people pay top dollar for Briogeo. So far, I am not impressed by this line at all. I don't see what the hype is all about. And now for the moment of truth, the Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. This is their bestseller. This is the product that, when you say Briogeo, that I think of. Everyone seems to be obsessed with this, blah, blah, blah. And of course, a lot of the claims are that it's going to repair and strengthen the hair and take care of split ends and da-da-da-da-da-da, slew of things. I don't read that stuff because I gotta see how it feels in my hair, and then I can read it if it's wowing me. So the thing I did read was the instructions to see how you use it, and you're supposed to leave it in the hair for 10 minutes. If you're calling yourself a mask, I'm leaving you in my hair for 30 minutes. This also wasn't as full as the shampoo. What is it that the shampoo was full and this thing is not that full? Okay, so upon initial sniff, I can't smell anything. So it's a very light scent if it has a scent. Slip is decent. Feels okay on the hands. Am I wowed so far? No. Let me apply and I'll be right back. Easy to apply to the hair, not disappointing. Decent enough slip. Let's saturate the hair with a mask and hope that I get a good enough result out of it. It has a light scent, not anything that I'm crazy about, not anything that I really can put into words. Nothing to write home about. The instructions do not say to apply a plastic cap. The instructions do not say to apply heat, but they do say to leave on for 10 minutes, which no, doesn't work for me. So I'm going to do my usual routine and go ahead and apply a plastic cap on my head. Next up, my hot head by Thermal Hair Care. And the verdict is, and the mask is a no. I don't understand the hype. I honestly do not understand the hype around Briogeo. My hair does not feel moisturized, and I'm really upset because I have to go back with a mask to actually give my hair the moisture that it needs. It didn't get it from any of the products. The shampoo was very drying. The regular conditioner was dead. It didn't do anything. It was very drying. And the mask, my hair feels dry. What is everyone crazy about with this Don't Despair Repair Briogeo treatment? And why is it so goddamn overpriced? This is a pricey brand and it's too much hype, honestly, for nothing. And so the last product, the Don't Despair Repair Strengthening Treatment Kit, is a no for me. I don't want to try this oil. It's a blend of oils that's supposed to be strengthening. This whole line was supposed to be a lot of things, and it wasn't any of them. And I don't tend to use these kind of oils in my hair to begin with, so I'm just going to proceed with my routine as I usually do and skip this part. Briogeo is a no for me. And that's it. A whole disappointing mess of a wash. Honestly, it was a bust. What the fuck? I'm going to go and redo my entire wash so that I can end up with hair that is actually happy, because this was so bad. I really need to do that, and it's messing up my whole day. So don't bother. Save your money. There's way better brands out there that don't cost this much and do such a good job on the hair. So why put yourself through all this? I don't know. If you like this video, please hit like, comment, subscribe, and the notification bell, and stay tuned for more. And for now, this is me having a bad hair day. See you in my next video. Ciao for now.